Hello and welcome back to the video tutorial series for the Findlay Phone Wallet. I'm Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. This sewing pattern is available for purchase on my website linked below. In this final video in the series, I will walk through the instructions for making the wristlet strap. We'll begin on page 10, step 47. Locate strap H and the swivel hook. Place the strap wrong side up. Fold in and press the long raw edges over the interfacing. Fold the strap in half and press, matching folded edges together. The long raw edges are now folded inward. Insert one end of the strap through the swivel hook. Unfold and match the raw edges of the strap. Pin or clip together. Sew using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Refold the strap right side out and then pin or clip the edges. When you're finished pinning or clipping the strap, top stitch it 1/8 inch from both the left and the right edges. As you're top stitching, maneuver the swivel hook out of the way. Take your time and go slowly, and just one tip, I like to start and end my top stitching at the seam. For the sake of this video, I've sped this portion up quite a bit, but I am actually sewing very slowly. My wristlet strap is now top stitched. Next thing we need to do is slide the swivel hook to the seam. Then use a fabric pen to mark the insertion point for a rivet. Center this marking approximately 1/2 inch below the seam. Follow manufacturer's instructions for the rivet installation. I've installed the rivet into the wristlet strap, and now I'm ready to clip the swivel hook onto the D-ring. Your Findlay Phone Wallet is now completely finished. Congratulations! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Happy sewing!